Welcome to the best resource online for mastering Electron JS. My name is Stephen Greider, and I'm a web engineer with 12 years of programming experience. I authored this course to share the knowledge I have gained in that time with you. The number one goal of this course is to make sure that you're not wasting any more time copy-pasting code into your code editor. We are going to explore every bit of syntax, step by step, to make sure that you understand exactly what we're building. I built this course to make sure that you don't have to spend any time on confusing, out-of-date, or incomplete tutorials again. In this course, you'll master the art of crafting desktop applications with Electron JS. Electron allows web developers who are familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create animated and compelling desktop applications. You might think that nobody uses desktop anymore, but nothing could be further from the truth, as these days there is so much competition for users on mobile apps that breaking into the desktop world is easier than ever. I place extra emphasis on building projects in a scalable, production-ready way. No shortcuts at all, we only do things the right way. Every topic includes discussions about why and where we would use each of these examples. The entire course is hosted on udemy.com with easy-to-follow videos and an entire Git repository with all the course's code. Sign up today and be the cutting-edge engineer who gets to teach the others the latest in web technology. Sign up today and build the desktop apps you've always dreamed about.